Hey everyone, welcome back with another nail art tutorial. In this video, you will learn a super easy and eye-catching nail art design that gives a 3D effect in a very simple way. Although it might look complicated on screen, trust me, it's easy to create. Once you give it a try, share your thoughts into the comments below. Also, if you have any questions or doubts about nail art techniques, don't hesitate to let me know. I will make sure to create a video specifically addressing that topic to clear things up. Just drop your question into the comments below. Let's dive in and create some stunning nails. To begin, apply a layer of gel polish all over the nail. We are sticking to just one layer, so make sure it's nice and thick. Don't cure it yet though. We will do the nail art design directly on the wet polish. The color spreads evenly across the entire nail, leaving no corners untouched. Polish thickly to every area, avoiding any patches of thin application. Consistency is the key. We want the polish to look even across the nail. Let's aim for a smooth and uniform application. After applying the thick layer of black gel polish, it's time to create a V shape on the nail using white gel polish. There are two simple ways to achieve this design. As shown on the screen, it's really easy to do. So let's give it a try. After creating the two V shapes on the nail, we are using a toothpick to create stroke designs. The thin strokes made with the toothpick will add an attractive touch to the design. Start from the upper corner and make strokes towards the lower part of the nail. As shown in the video, make 3 or 4 strokes on the right and the left sides. In the middle, make a stroke from the inner corner to the outer corner. Once done with the stroke, now cure it under UV light for around 30 seconds. After curing, add dots to specific areas to enhance the design with a dotting effect. I have chosen to include this step, but feel free to skip if you prefer. However, adding dots can give your nails an extra eye-catching look. Give it a try and see how it enhances the overall design. Once done with the dotting design, again we are going to cure the nail under UV light for around 30 seconds. Once the curing is complete, apply the top shiny coat. This coat seals the nail art and adds extra shine for the popping and shiny look. After applying the top coat, cure it again under UV light for 30 seconds to seal it in place. And there you have it, the design is complete. Just look at how beautiful and enhanced the design looks. Isn't it pleasant? Give it a try and let me know into the comments below how it turned out for you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more videos in the future. Until next time, keep practicing those nail art tutorials and exploring new things. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.